Yo! Now there is a lot on the internet about what a turbo is, how it works, what it looks like. There is very few videos or resources discussing what it actually feels like. And that is what I'm here to address today. Obviously this is an extremely subjective topic. So if you've had the pleasure of experiencing turbo boost before, then feel free to pitch in and let me know whether you agree or disagree. But ultimately, this one's for you young uns out there who've yet to experience the absolute pleasure that boost brings to your life. So let's get to it. My very first encounter with the phenomenon that is boost occurred approximately, 5 years ago maybe, when my mate took me for a ride in his 2012 WRX. It was barely modified, had a light tune, but the feeling when he first put his foot down and we hit boost is something that has stuck with me for the past 5 years, and that says something about boost. It's a moment I will probably never forget. The adrenaline, the joy, the drama, it all kind of comes together and just smacks you across the face, and you don't expect it when you've never experienced it before. It's kind of like when you're just about to come over the crest of the slope on a roller coaster and then you suddenly drop and your guts rearrange themselves and your stomach's suddenly in your mouth. And that's essentially what my first experience with solid boost felt like. And boy, was it incredible. Over the past few years, I've been lucky enough to experience a vast multitude of boosted vehicles, ranging from old Japanese to modern Euro luxury, both stock and modified. You know, we've got Evos, WRXs, Volvos, Volkswagens, Nissans, Mitsubishis, all that stuff. And there's no denying that boost is something I need in my life and I someday strive to have. The thing is, not all boost is equal, and that is a lesson I've learnt across my journey with cars and boost in general. What I've come to love is that visceral sense of drama where you're on a really stiff ride with turbo noises whistling through the air and you being kicked back into your seat at 4,000 RPM. And that's an experience I've only ever really managed to feel through older Japanese vehicles. Modern cars have very strict safety restrictions that they have to adhere to, and they're heavier, and in general, the more comfortable they are, the less intimate the experiences, the more detached you are from what's going on with your car and the outside world. Which is why old Jap with a turbo strapped to it is incredible, because you're one with the car and you're one with the road. Whereas when I'm in my mum's Polestar XC60, which is an incredibly fast car that has been engineered so well, it just doesn't give you that same sense of excitement and joy. Thirsty today. What I've found is that these cars, such as the XC60, even the Volvo S40, which has a turbo strap to it, and even the Golf R, the power delivery is really safe and quite linear compared to some of the older Japanese cars I've been in, where the boost takes a while to build up, but oh boy, when it gets there, does it let you know that you are in boost. And that's what I love. I love that feeling. And you know, you can easily achieve that from these modern Euro cars with a simple tune and a few upgrades, because you know, they're all being choked by these emissions and safety ratings. But if you're talking from the factory, it's the older Japanese cars that I've come to love and enjoy. So that is what boost feels like to me. I hope I conveyed it correctly, and I hope that those of you who have never experienced boost now kind of know what to expect in a sense. And I hope you're excited to experience boost, because like I said, it's magical and you've got to experience it someday in your lives, even if you're not a car person. But yeah, I just thought I'd sit down, have a drink, and just talk about my feelings, which involve turbos a lot of the time. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick one. Thank you for all the support. I'll catch you on the next one.